Hello viewers, today we are demonstrate the crossing value test of aggregate. This test is provided the resistance of an aggregate sample to crossing under gradually applied compressive load. Here, the apparatus required to carry out this experiment are a 15 cm diameter steel cylinder with a plunger and base plate. Then a tamping rod having 16 mm diameter. A weight balance, then a set of IS sieve of sizes 12.5 mm, 10 mm and 2.36 mm. Then a cylindrical measure having a diameter of 11.5 cm and 18 cm height. Finally, a compression testing machine having a loading capacity of 40 tons and which can be operated to give a uniform rate of loading so that the maximum load is reached in 10 minutes. Now, place the sample in the set of IS sieve. The sieves are arranged in such a manner that pan at the bottom, then placed 10 mm sieve, then 12.5 mm sieve and finally laid at the top. Then shake the complete assembly using sieve shaker so that each particle gets sufficient chance to pass through the IS sieve opening. After proper sieving, fraction of aggregate with different sizes will be written on the different sieves. After that, collect the sample from 10 mm IS sieve. Then take the empty weight of cylindrical measure as W1 and it is 942 gram and note that the value in observation sheet. Then fill up the aggregate sample passing through 12.5 mm and written on 10 mm IS sieve in measuring cylinder in 3 equal layers such that each layer is subjected to 25 strokes using the tamping rod.
Slide टिकट के बाद खोले पड़ी जा खोले
Then take the weight of aggregate with measuring cylinder as W2 and it is noted as 4004 gram and note that the value in observation sheet. Now set up the cylindrical mold above the base plate and fill the aggregate sample of measuring cylinder. Now level the surface of aggregate carefully and insert the plunger so that it rests horizontally on the surface of aggregate. Now place the whole assembly on the loading plate of the compression testing machine. Then rotate the valve towards release and tie it properly. Then start the compression testing machine and rotate the loading valve clockwise to operate the loading. Then rotate the pressure measure valve slightly because our testing needed a uniform rate of loading so that the maximum load is reached in 10 minutes. And here is an important note that our testing machine measure the loading as kilonewton so that we must be convert the 40 ton into kilonewton. We are already know 1 ton equal to 9.81 kilonewton. So 40 ton equal to 9.81 into 40, that equal to 392.4 kilonewton, and we should take this just nearly equal to 400 kilonewton. Now switch off the testing machine because the loading needle finally reached at its destination, that is nearly equal to 400 kilonewton or 40 ton at 10 minutes. Now release the load applied on testing machine to rotate the valve anti-clockwise towards release and tight properly. After that, take out the complete assembly from testing machine and collected the cross aggregate from cylindrical mold. Then take out the cross material sample and sieve on 2.36 IS sieve. Then take off the weight of fraction passing through 2.36 mm ISC as W3 and it is 780 gram. Then write the value in observation sheet. Then come to the result. Here we found out the necessary data using which we are calculate the crossing value. Here the crossing value equal to W3 by W2 minus W1 into 100%. Whereas W1 is the empty weight of cylindrical measure, W2 is the weight of aggregate with cylinder, and W3 is the weight of cross aggregate sample passed through 2.36 IS sheet. So we finally found out the value of crossing value, and that is 25.47%, and it is nearly equal to 25%. Then come to the conclusion section. As per IS 2386 Part 4 1963, the below table shows the aggregate crossing value limits for different types of roads. As our testing results value satisfy the all aggregate crossing value limits, so that we can use the aggregate for different types of road. So after having viewed this video program, you most able to perform this experiment. So please like, share, comment, and never forget to subscribe our channel for latest update. Keep watching. Thank you.